Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you how you can reset your device to the factory settings. Your device Samsung A73 5G. So now, if you want to reset the device to the factory settings, or you want to erase all the data from the device, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. So now, watch complete video and follow the steps, and you will learn how you can reset your device. Let's watch the video.